girls.
Hi, if you're thinking about getting backyard laying hens, you're probably wondering how many you need. Let me share with you our experience to give you some tips to help you decide. But before we get into that, I would really appreciate if you'd subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you know when we upload more videos like this. Well, we've been raising chickens for over 2 years now, and we started with 10 chickens, well 10 chicks, and we lost 2 of them to sickness right away in the first few days. And then we lost another chicken just a few months ago to the neighbor's dog. Right now we have 7 left. So for our family of 4, 7 chickens seems to be about the right number. It gives us enough extra to give away to our other family members once in a while, and leaves us with plenty for what we need. We get on average about 5 or 6 eggs a day out of our 7 chickens, in the summertime that is. In the wintertime, they really cut down on their production and may even stop altogether. There are ways to make them lay all winter, but we choose not to do that. We let them just go naturally a little bit dormant on the egg laying through the winter months. So with 7 chickens, you know, a lot of times we'll have an extra dozen or even 2 dozen a week if we don't eat them all. It's tempting to think that maybe you want to get even more chickens and sell eggs on the side, and that could be a possibility. But I know in our area there's a lot of people that sell eggs, and they're only going for like $2 a dozen. So at that price, to get extra chickens for the extra hassle, I don't really think it's worth it for us to try and do that. So the most accurate way to figure out how many chickens you need is figure out how many eggs that each person in your family eats in a year. Based on what type of breed you're looking at, you can determine how many eggs that particular chicken breed will lay in a year. Chicken will lay about 250 eggs a year, and the average person probably eats maybe about the same, give or take. So that's a good way to figure it. So a family of 4, you could probably get by with 4 or 5 chickens, unless you do a lot of baking where you use a lot more eggs. Then you could use a few more. For us, 7 chickens is just about perfect. So, question of the day: how many chickens did you decide upon? Leave us a comment and let us know. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Extended family,